Hey guys, I just got my delivery from Fabulous Boutique and I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing. So I got this safety keychain. Fabulous Boutique. Yeah, let's. Awesome. Look at this. I'm screaming. And it's limited edition, so I mean, it's perfect. I love all the pastel colors. And you just match with the keychain. Perfect. Perfectly. So yes, we got that, and I got the mini pink taser. It's bling. So it comes with its adapter and the case. Look at that. She's perfect. Ah, she's so adorable. Flashlight, yeah. Maybe it lights up red. When it's ready, and you just press the button. And oh my gosh, it's loud. But yeah, she's gorgeous. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love my purchase, and it came really quickly, even though being delivered by USPS. I'm just like, I love it. But yeah, that's my little unboxing for today. See you next time.